going on, guys? It's QuasiDog here, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a handful of accessories sent in from Baseus. Whether it's for yourself or for the holiday gift-giving season, these items are sure to impress whoever chooses to use them. First up is the Baseus 100-watt USB-C Quick Charge 5.0 brick. This 100-watt brick is up to 40% smaller than competing 95-watt solutions, while also maintaining up to 70% efficiency. Not only that, but this pocket-sized quick charge beast can provide a 50% charge to an iPhone 12 in just 25 minutes, up to a 70% charge on a Samsung S21 Ultra in just about 30 minutes, or a full charge to an M1 Macbook in just 2 hours. Lastly, thanks to GaN II, this Baseus charge brick handles heat like a champ and dissipates heat up to 4 times faster and operates up to 50 degrees cooler than other leading charge bricks. Now, if you need more ports, then this 100-watt 4-port solution will certainly do the trick. The Baseus 100-watt 4-port charging station mimics the features that we talked about before in its little brother, but with the addition of a second 100-watt USB-C port and dual 30-watt USB-A ports. While using a single port, the Baseus 100-watt 4-port charging station provides max power to the device of your choice in the safest way possible. And if you're looking to charge multiple devices at once, this brick can intelligently regulate the power output to each port in order to maximize its total 100-watt output while minimizing your time tethered to the wall. Now, if you're looking for something more mobile, then this Baseus 65-watt, 20,000 milliamp portable battery bank could be the device for you. Now, I'm sure we all have a power bank or two at home, but I can guarantee you don't have anything quite like this. Featuring 2 30-watt quick charge USB-A ports and one 65-watt USB-C omnidirectional port, this 20,000 milliamp battery bank can power anything from a smartphone, Nintendo Switch, or even a full-size laptop while you're on the go. The intelligent LED display gives you valuable insight to battery percentage, wattage, and voltage, so you're never left guessing what's going on or how much juice is left in your day. And when it's empty, the Baseus 20,000 milliamp battery bank recharges to full again in less than 2 hours, thanks to that before mentioned omnidirectional 65-watt USB-C port. So power banks are cool and all, but what if you don't like having loose cables in your pocket? Well, if that sounds like you and you happen to have a modern iPhone, then you need to take a look at the Baseus 10,000 milliamp magnetic power bank for the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 13 series. Coming in at a higher milliampage and a lower price tag than the Apple Magsafe battery pack, this magnetic charger simply magnetizes onto the back of your device and can deliver up to 3 full charges while you go about and enjoy your day. And for those of you who don't feel like being selfish, the included top-mounted USB pairing can deliver up to 20 watts of power output to your friend's device as well. Just like the last battery bank, the intelligent LED onboard display keeps you filled in on battery percentage every step of the way. Lastly, we're going to take a look at the Baseus Magnetic Charging Stand for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series of phones. This stand offers an exceptionally small footprint on your desk or surface of your choice while keeping your phone elevated and inclined perfectly for video calls or just consuming media. And since it uses magnets to adhere to the back of the phone, you can choose any orientation you want from horizontal to vertical or anything in between. At a peak wattage output of 15 watts, your iPhone will be back to 100% before you know it. So if you're looking for a great gift for yourself or a loved one for this Black Friday or holiday season, feel free to take a look in the video description below for links to everything featured. Special thanks to Baseus and team for sponsoring today's video and sending out these accessories for me to share with you guys. Until the next one, my name is QuasiDog. You guys have been awesome, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.